Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. This is Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 4. As I said, Part 2, 3, 4, 5 are the same unit. You need to make sure you see all of them at once. Okay, Part 2, 3, 4, we're going to talk about the rules, the method, the identities, the functions, the tricks. In Part 5, we're going to talk about how to use all we have learned in 2 and 4, 2, 3, 4 to do questions. There are like several parts in Part 5. I cannot make the video too long. Okay, so in this part, we're going to talk about Part 4, which is the trigonometry identities. There are around 40 trigonometry identities. So it is a lot. So it is pretty hard to remember all of them. So we need to use rules, we need to use method to help us to remember this. Okay, the hexagon is one of the best, in my opinion. Okay, so how do you do these things? You know, you can draw hexagon here, right? And then you can draw a nuclear shape. Thinking about this is like a radioactive things. You know, this is like, you know, nuclear, and then do not touch, you know, some radiation coming, something. All right, and then we have 6 trigonometry functions: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. So we have the sine, cosine as a pair, tangent, cotangent as a one pair, and the secant, cosecant is another pair. So you have a 3 pair, total 6 functions. You're just writing sine here, cosine here, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. In the very middle, there's a big 1 here. Okay, once we've done that, we can use the diagonal time together equal to 1. So that means the sine function times cosecant function going to equal to 1. The tangent function times cotangent function equal to 1. So tangent times cotangent equal to 1. Sine times cosecant equal to 1. So the next one is what? Cosine times secant. Cosine x times secant x equal to 1. Okay, so we can change this a little bit. For example, later we've been asking about this. What this equal to? For example, cosecant 30. Okay, we don't know that, but we know this is 1 over what? Sine 30, right? Sine 30, we can find out this is like a 1 over 2. So it will be 1 over 1 over 2 is equal to 2, and done. Okay, so we can use them wisely here. Okay, the next one is, you see the 3 upside down triangles, upside down triangle, upside down triangles. So the square, and then square relationship. So that means the up to square add up going to the bottom square. So sine square plus cosine square equal to 1 square. Tangent square plus 1 square equal to secant square. And then cotangent square plus 1 square equal to cosecant square. These things is going to be very handy in the second part of trigonometry, so which is proving trigonometry identities. We can use them a lot here. Okay, beside all of them, let's remember one more. I promise, just one more. Tangent x equal to sine x over cosine x. And that's it. That's all you need to learn here. And then pretty much a lot of trigonometry identity being covered in here. Okay, in calculus, which is the next year, so the university, we can use more of this hexagon here. But later, right now, I don't want to talk about this. So yeah, that's it. That's all the hexagon. Okay, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will answer your question in my next video. Alright, thank you for watching.